Number 1. 1985 Chevrolet S10, price $9,500, featuring an automatic transmission and powered by gasoline. It stands out with a clean white exterior paired with a bold red interior. Under the hood, it boasts a newly built Cam 350/383 stroker engine with all new internals, paired with a turbo 350 transmission and a 3200 stall converter, controlled by a floor-mounted automatic shifter. With only 600 miles on the build, the truck runs and drives exceptionally well. The vehicle has been extensively upgraded, including fresh paint, new staggered Craigar wheels and tires, and upgraded front slotted rotors with disc brakes for improved performance. It features a tubular front suspension with a 6/8 drop, enhancing both stance and handling. The interior has been completely redone with new seats, headliner, carpet, and door panels, complemented by a custom odometer chrome gauge cluster. Additional updates include new glass all-around windshield, rear window, and side windows, along with new door moldings and trim. It should be noted that the truck is built for performance and style, as it does not include air conditioning, heating, or power steering. Number 2. 1995 Ford F-150, price $10,000, showing 164,000 miles on the odometer. It comes with a clean title and a rust-free body. Under the hood, the truck features a strong 351W engine board .40 over, equipped with Promax aluminum heads, a Lunati camshaft, scat rods, and Speed Pro pistons. Airflow and performance are enhanced by a Wian Stealth intake, while reliability is supported by ARP head bolts and an SVE dual-core radiator. Ignition and fuel management are handled by an MSD distributor and a Holley Sniper 2 system with PDM and a 5-inch display, providing modern control and monitoring. The drivetrain includes a fully upgraded 4R70W automatic transmission, built for performance and durability. It features a 2800 stall converter, steel-reinforced drums, upgraded clutch packs, stiffer accumulator springs, new shift solenoids, a new wiring harness, a larger overdrive band, and an upgraded valve body. Shifting and control are further optimized with a Holley transmission controller paired with a dedicated 4R70W harness. Number 3. 1985 Chevrolet S10, price $10,000, comes equipped with an automatic transmission, making it a rare and well-preserved example of a classic compact pickup. It features a bold red exterior that stands out nicely, complemented by a clean and well-kept gray interior that maintains its original charm. Under the hood, it is powered by a strong 406-stroker engine paired with a turbo 350 transmission, delivering impressive performance and smooth shifting. The truck runs great and reflects careful ownership throughout. It has received a fresh coat of paint, giving it a vibrant, like new appearance, while the body remains 100% rust-free, ensuring long-term durability. Inside, the cabin is in great condition with minimal signs of wear, offering both comfort and a tidy presentation. Number 4. 1994 Nissan D21, price $6,500, presented in very clean condition and comes with a clean title, reflecting careful ownership. It has been driven approximately 139,000 miles and is equipped with a manual transmission, offering a more engaging and reliable driving experience. The truck features a striking red exterior complemented by a well-kept gray interior, and it runs on gasoline. Mechanically, it is in excellent shape with no warning lights on the dashboard, and it runs and drives perfectly without any known issues. Both the air conditioning and heating systems are fully functional, ensuring comfort in various weather conditions. Overall, this D21 stands out as a solid and dependable daily driver, with consistent performance and clean presentation inside and out. As it is currently being driven regularly, the mileage may continue to increase slightly over time, but it remains a great example of a well-maintained classic compact pickup. Number 5. 1995 Chevrolet 1500, price $4,500, presented with 311,000 miles on the odometer, paired with an automatic transmission and powered by a gasoline engine. Finished in a clean white exterior with a black interior, the truck has undergone a significant mechanical update, as it no longer retains its original motor. The current engine has less than 1,000 miles since being installed. In addition to the engine replacement, the vehicle has received numerous recent upgrades and maintenance items. These include new control arms, ball joints, tie rods, and a complete steering linkage system consisting of the idler arm bracket, and pitman arm. The suspension has also been refreshed with new sway bar links, shocks, and A-arms. Cosmetic and interior improvements include a new front grille, headlights, taillights, updated flooring, a new headliner, and replacement driver's side door pins and bushings. Number 6. 2001 Dodge Ram 1500, price $5,300, presented in red with an automatic transmission and has covered 100,000 miles. It is powered by a reliable Magnum V8 engine and runs on gasoline, paired with an automatic 4x4 system that adds to its versatility. The truck stands out with a very clean interior considering its age, featuring stock heated leather seats, an extremely rare option for this model. It also comes equipped with a newly installed Jasper transmission, enhancing its drivability and overall value. Finished in a sport trim, the truck includes paint-matched bumpers and grille, giving it a cohesive and appealing look. As is common with this model, the steering has some typical looseness, and the brake light remains on, which may require attention. Number 7. 1992 Ford F-250, price $5,000, powered by a dependable 7.3 LIDI diesel engine paired with a 4x4 drivetrain, making it a strong and capable truck suited for both work and daily driving. It has traveled 332,400 miles and is equipped with an automatic transmission, offering a smooth and easy driving experience. The truck features a classic blue exterior complemented by a matching blue interior, giving it a clean and uniform appearance. It is reported to run excellently, starting easily every time and driving straight down the road with confidence. The four-wheel drive system operates as it should, providing solid traction and reliability in a variety of driving conditions. Inside, the truck is equipped with power windows and power door locks, adding a level of convenience that enhances its usability. Number 8. 1987 Chevrolet S10, price $6,500. It comes equipped with an automatic transmission and runs on gasoline, featuring a bold red exterior matched with a red interior that gives it a standout, cohesive look. The current owner has had the truck for about a year, originally acquiring it in a disassembled condition and bringing it back to life with several upgrades. It now features a new Beltec suspension setup, along with new wheels and tires that enhance both its stance and drivability. The engine has been replaced with a newer motor. While the exact mileage is unknown, it is a turnkey setup that starts and runs. The truck does still need some minor attention, particularly with vacuum lines and slight timing adjustments, but it is fully operational and capable of moving under its own power. Number 9. 1998 Dodge Ram 1500, price $3,000, comes equipped with a reliable 5.2L Magnum V8 engine that runs exceptionally well and maintains strong oil pressure. It has accumulated 189,000 miles and features an automatic transmission. Finished in a red exterior with a charcoal interior, this gasoline-powered truck has proven dependable in all conditions. The vehicle has been upgraded with an aftermarket CarPlay/Android Auto head unit and enhanced kicker speakers for improved audio quality. It sits on Falken Wild Peak tires with nearly full tread remaining and has been leveled in the front for a more aggressive stance. In 2024, key front-end components including shocks, springs, ball joints, and wheel hubs were replaced, contributing to a smoother and more stable ride. The original dashboard remains intact, though it does show some cracking due to age. Number 10. 1996 Ford F-150, price $2,900, showing 200,000 miles on the odometer. It features an automatic transmission, a black exterior, and a clean gray interior, and runs on gasoline. Under the hood, it is powered by a strong-running 5.8L V8 engine paired with a smooth automatic gearbox. This truck is equipped with a properly functioning cold air conditioning system and includes electric features for added convenience. It also comes with a brake controller and a factory tow package, making it well-suited for hauling and towing needs. Despite the mileage, the vehicle has been maintained to run reliably and continues to perform well for daily use or work purposes. A clean Florida title is in hand, making the transaction straightforward for the next owner.